Hello, my honey bunnies. Most welcome to my YouTube channel, The Soup's Aura. I am Supriya Sharma and wishing you a very happy new year. I hope this year will give you so much happiness and prosperity. So yeah, today's video is all about purple haul. I bought some in new year. I bought some new makeup. I am trying this for the first time and today I'm going to reviewing that. So yeah, if you're interested, so keep on watching. First product I'm really excited to use. This is from Swiss Beauty. This is Swiss Beauty a body highlighter and face and body highlighter. I really want to try a body shimmer like body highlighter, but वो बहुत ज़्यादा expensive थे. Like मैं Huda Beauty में भी है और काफ़ी और high end brands में भी हैं, available हैं body highlighter, but वो मेरे budget में नहीं था honestly. So when I saw this and I was like, literally I should purchase this anyhow. This is just for 350 rupees. Like, this is so inexpensive. And look at this packaging. My god, look at this luxurious bottle, and this is like rose gold sort of color, and it comes with the pump thing, and the packaging is so beautiful, and this is very convenient. Glass bottle hai iska, and Beauty is really doing great. And yeah, let's okay, it's like this. इसका कंसिस्टेंसी इतना थिक नहीं है, इतना थिन नहीं है. मैंने और भी लिक्विड हाइलाइटर्स ट्राई किए हैं, बट उनका कंसिस्टेंसी काफी ज्यादा थिक है. बट इसका कंसिस्टेंसी, द टेक्सचर इज its texture is so like medium, not so thin, not so thick. Look at this. Oh god, looks so sexy. It will look so sexy. अपने body पे लगाएंगे. I will apply it on my body and like here on my shoulder. Whenever I wear like tube top and like sexy dresses, I will apply it on my legs. So stylish. Like जितने भी Hollywood, जितने भी celebrities हैं, वो ये सब अप्लाई करती हैं. उनको हमें लगता है कि यार इनका बॉडी इतना शाइनी, इतना ग्लॉसी कैसे लग रहा है. दे अप्लाई दिस बॉडी हाइलाइटर. सो आई वांटेड टू ट्राई फॉर सो लॉन्ग एंड स्विस ब्यूटी लॉन्च दिस एंड oh my goodness. And the best part is इसमें chunky particles बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. It looks so seamless, like very shimmery but not so chunky particles in it. So that's what I like about it. Everything is so perfect about this highlighter. It's a body highlighter. So yeah, I will definitely gonna repurchase this whenever it's going to finish. So yeah, it's a big yes for this product, and I think you should try this also. So yeah, and moving to the next product. The next product is from Plum. This is micellar cleansing water. I'm trying this for the first time. ये इस्तेमाल नहीं किया है, but I will अभी ये मेकअप इसी से रिमूव करूंगी. But I personally like this brand skincare products, so I think this is very good. This would be very good, I think, and the packaging is also very good. Quantity is 200 ml, and I really like the packaging. And इसमें ये एक लिड दिया हुआ है जिसके थ्रू आपने कॉटन पैड में अपना ये डाल के अपना मेकअप रिमूव कर सकते हैं. एंड द प्राइस ऑफ दिस इज 375. आई थिंक इट्स क्वाइट गुड फॉर micellar water, and this is good for all skin type. How to use, I'll tell you. For eyes, wet a cleansing pad with micellar water. Hold gently against eyelid for 3 and 4 seconds and swipe away. For face, wet cleansing pad with micellar water and gently swipe dirt and makeup away. Follow the gentle water rinse and gentle face wash and moisturizer. जब लोग क्या करते हैं, सिर्फ micellar water से अपना मेकअप निकाल लेते हैं, then हाँ ठीक है, हो गया. No, you have to do double cleansing with face wash and apply moisturizer after that. And yeah, I think it doesn't have any fragrance, which I like the most. Skincare products में like नहीं होना चाहिए. Like, I'm going to try this as well, and yeah, let's see how it works. Moving to the next makeup product. That is from Stay Quirky, and this is Brunch Ready. This is a blush palette actually. Okay, the packaging is so cute. इसमें कार्डबोर्ड का पैकेजिंग है. इसमें एक मिरर दिया हुआ है. इसमें 2 शेड का ब्लश दिया हुआ है, एंड ये इसका जो लिड है इधर मैग्नेट दिया हुआ है जिससे इजीली ये बंद हो जाएगा। एंड बात करें इसकी पिगमेंटेशन की, तो या दैट्स क्वाइट गुड, नॉट सो मच पिगमेंटेड। यू हैव दिस इज ब्लेंडेबल, दिस इज एक्चुअली क्वाइट गुड, लाइक नॉट सो मच पिगमेंटेड, नॉट लाइक कि है ही नहीं। ये अच्छा पिगमेंटेशन, ये एक अच्छा ब्लश है अंडर दिस प्राइस। कोई ब्लश चाहिए तो you can check out this one, it's pretty much good. Okay, so the next product is from Swiss Beauty once again. Budget friendly brands में मुझे Swiss Beauty काफी ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है, it's my one of my favorite brands, and this is a glitter eyeshadow, liquid glitter eyeshadow, and today I have done my makeup with this and I think this is so nice. Pigmentation is good, it doesn't make any crease on your eyelid, and it's very easy to use and it's dry up very fast. Like 4 iske benefits hai, and quantity is also very good, not so much pricey, it's just rupees 150 something. Like the color is champagne and iska mere paas ek black color ka bhi hai. So yeah, I really like this one, and I think if you're looking for liquid glitter eyeshadow, is very easy to use and just do it and swipe it, just one swipe and you are done. Like you don't need to go like glitter, इतना घंटों तक लगाने का जरूरत नहीं है, glue कुछ भी नहीं, just buy this, apply this and you are done. Okay, next product is from Bronson Professional, and this is a makeup sponge with the shape of diamond. I love diamond. Okay, so yeah, this is the diamond shape makeup sponge and this is so soft, and look at this. This is pricey, like this is rupees 200, and इसका जो फ्लैट एरिया है मैं अपना फाउंडेशन इससे ब्लेंड करूंगी, और इसमें जो ये पॉइंटेड एरिया है आई विल डू माई कंसीलर, आई विल लाइक कंसीलर इन माई अंडर आई एरिया. सो या आई एम pretty much excited to use that. So yeah, this is very soft and quite good. I like this and I will recommend. Next product is from Blue Heaven, and this is Brow Perfect Brow Enhancer Pencil and Comb. Ash grey color का है ये, and I have tried this and I don't like it because it's not pigmented at all. Like it's too waxy, like waxy होना चाहिए but इतना भी नहीं कि उसमें पिगमेंटेशन, इसमें कलर ही ना दिखे. This is the packaging of this. एक तरफ इसमें स्पूली है और एक तरफ इसमें प्रोडक्ट है, एंड इसमें पिगमेंटेशन बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. लाइक oh my god, बहुत मुश्किल से निकला है, इतना बार मैंने रख किया तब जाके इतना प्रोडक्ट निकला है. आई डोंट लाइक इट. इफ यू आस्क मी, Supriya, you gonna repurchase this? No. Yeah, I'm not gonna suggest you to buy this. Do not go for it. And last but not the least, this is the lipstick from Stay Quirky. Look at this packaging, so cute, so tiny, and Kiss and Tell liquid lipstick. The name of this, the Bombshell 2, and this lipstick I'm wearing right now, and this is so beautiful color, and like maroon nahi hai bilkul itna, like it's like pinkish maroon. Like what should I say? I can't explain color, but I've been looking this color lipstick for so long, and got it. And yeah, look at this, so small, so tiny, and ये मुझे as a gift मिली थी, but मुझे अगर परचेज करना हुआ तो definitely gonna repurchase this. बात करें इसके पिगमेंटेशन की, 10 on 10, स्टिकी नहीं है और ट्रांसफर प्रूफ. Like under this price, this is a steal. Like this is steal. I definitely gonna try. Like Stay Quirky का जो products हैं, Swiss Beauty के products हैं, लोग पता नहीं क्यों इतना underrated है, लोग try नहीं करते हैं, but just try these products. These are amazing. अच्छे brands इतने अच्छे product नहीं बनाते हैं जितने ये जो सस्ते brands होते हैं ये बना लेते हैं. Like इनका pigmentation बहुत अच्छा है. Like in just one coat, it's all like non-sticky at all. That's what I like about it. This is not so much pricey. This is very it's very convenient to carry, put it into your bag and you're good to go. I will highly recommend this product, like this lipstick, and इसमें काफी ज़्यादा variant आपको मिल जाएंगे. Just check out. I will link it down below. Everything. That's it for today's video. I hope you're gonna like this video and this would be helpful. Like I think आपने कुछ इससे नए products देखे होंगे, and yeah, कोरोना के केसेस काफी ज्यादा बढ़ रहे हैं. प्लीज टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ. मास्क लगाना बिल्कुल ना भूलें. प्रिकॉशन से बाहर जाएं अगर जा रहे हैं तो. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can follow me on Instagram and add me on Snapchat. So yeah, tada, take care of yourself and give time to your dear ones. Bye bye. See you in my next video.